Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AWS CLI for VPC trouble. To download the AWS command line interface for VPC troubleshooting on EC2, start by visiting the official AWS CLI documentation page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to aws.amazon.com/CLI. Once on the AWS CLI page, find the section for installation instructions. Choose the installation method that suits your operating system, such as Windows, macOS, or Linux. For Windows, you will see an option to download the MSI installer. Click on the provided link to download the installation file. After the download completes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the MSI installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. For macOS users, you can install AWS CLI using Homebrew. Open your terminal application. Type the command, brew install OSCLI. Press enter to execute the command and wait for the installation to complete. For Linux users, open your terminal. Check the package manager for your distribution, like apt for Ubuntu or yum for CentOS. Use the appropriate command to install AWS CLI. For Ubuntu, type sudo apt-get install OSCLI. For CentOS, type sudo yum install OSCLI. After installing AWS CLI, verify the installation by typing AWS version in the terminal. Press enter to see the version number of AWS CLI you have installed. Next, configure AWS CLI with your credentials. Type AWS configure in the terminal. You will be prompted to enter your AWS access key ID and secret access key. Carefully enter the details as prompted. After entering your credentials, you will also be prompted for your preferred region and output format. Set your region, such as US East 1, and choose a default output format, like JSON. Now, you're ready to use AWS CLI for troubleshooting VPC on EC2 instances. To test your setup, you can issue a command like AWS EC2 describe instances. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.